Thank you for visiting Computex 2026. We will share how Cooler Master becomes a thermal authority every AI reality.
We customize and innovate end-to-end cooling solutions and services for our global tier customers, scaling from megawatt data center facilities down to PC system on your desk.
And Cooler Master is in every layer of the supply chain to make that happen.
The PC under your desk is now an AI workforce. We're taking industrial-grade technology and we're applying it to consumer level. One engineering DNA from hyperscale data center to your desktop.
AI will be everywhere, and cooling will lead the way. So let's grow together, and let's win together.